Did you know you could generate quizzes easily within Quizizz? Sign in, click Create, choose Assessment, Generate with AI. At the top, select Text Prompt, and add your quiz topic name. We'll choose Othello, Characters, and Themes. Down at the bottom, you're able to select as many questions as you want, what grade levels, and depths of knowledge. So let's choose level 3, 5 questions, hit continue, and Quizizz will generate your quiz. Select various subtopics if asked. But hold on, it gets better. Once the quiz finalizes, continue to the editor. And here, you can even translate your quiz into other languages. So maybe you want your Spanish students to be reading Spanish questions and answers. So just quickly choose Español, and all of your questions automatically get translated. Save changes. And from there, you can publish your quiz so your students can take the quiz or preview to see what they see when they take the quiz. Have a great day.